Here we go, guys. Today we're unboxing the Rose Canyon case for the Pixel 11 Pro, which we hope will arrive between tomorrow and the day after. I left the package so I could show you this nice packaging that Google made this year, where there's a bit of advertising, a QR code that links to the Google store to stay up to date. And it's the one where, by registering, for example, this year, you received a discount of up to €150 for the purchase of the Pixel. The case for the Pixel 10 Pro, so that we can do a quick comparison. Welcome to Team Pixel, a welcome postcard from the team. I believe this is the box they will send the pixels in. It's printed and customized on the bottom as well, as you can see. And here's our brand new packaging for the Rose Canyon case. This year I picked up the Pixel 11 Pro in that stunning Rose Canyon finish. We really dared to try something different with this bold new color. Let's go ahead and open it up right away. As always, it's the usual recycled paper packaging that Google has been using for the last few years, for a few years now. No obvious design changes. Let's take out the case, protected as always by tissue paper, which we'll remove. Here it is. I'll tell you right away that the finishes, the G logo, and the buttons are now crafted in gold rather than the silver we saw last year. This change was made specifically to perfectly match the metallic edge of the upcoming Pixel 11 Pro, which will feature this exact same color scheme throughout the entire device. Let me show you the reflections on the surface. It features the usual slightly soft interior lining, designed to avoid scratching your Pixel. Plus, it offers full MagSafe compatibility for your accessories. Let's quickly check the overall size by fitting it into the Pixel 10 Pro case. Well, honestly, I think it's basically identical. Yeah, I really think it's completely identical. Let's take a moment to carefully examine the camera bar housing to see if anything has changed in any way or if the design remains exactly the same as before. It really seems all very similar. We'll be sure to try it out on the new Pixel 11 Pro just as soon as it arrives. I'm also going to test the Pixel 11 case on my current 10 Pro model before I end up returning it. So let me repeat for clarity. The G logo and the buttons feature a gold finish, just like the frames that the Pixel 11 Pro in that Canyon Rose color will have. Here it is. Goodbye for now. This is Antonio Camerino, your go-to product expert. Stay tuned to the channel because the unboxing and various videos on the Pixel 11 Pro will be coming very soon. Bye and thanks everyone.